welcome to the countdown until release day. We have a new box of the month coming out on August 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. We first revealed this cute stamp set here called Hello Bears. Then we revealed the paper pad Fall Sunshine and its coordinating ephemera. Next, Warm Drink Cold Day. And today we are revealing the second paper pad and ephemera pack called Pumpkin Marshmallow. Different color palette, super cute. So we're gonna make some cards today. We're gonna use the stamp set that we did yesterday. So go back and check out the coloring I did on this. We're gonna pair that up with the ephemera and paper today and make some really cute cards. So this box will be available for purchase on August 1st, 9 a.m. Central. If you are purchasing now, you are purchasing the July products. So if you want the July box, you can go ahead and purchase that. It's available in the shop. So I want to flip through the paper and the ephemera before we get started. So this is very, very cute. I love this color palette and beautiful papers. And this is a slimline paper pad, so this can make it really easy for you to make some slimline cards. You can also use it on an A2 size card. You'll just have to cut the panel down. So nice weathered wood. We've got this really nice, almost looks like a sweater or something like that. We've got a faux glitter, very pretty. Nice warm colors. We've got a heart polka dot. We've got a really nice design that has a heart, but it is a coffee stain. So really cute. Some brown gingham. We've got the pink and white polka dots. This really pretty peachy color, watercolored paper. Really nice pale looking pink in a faux, kind of like a granite glitter. And then we've got the pink and white heart polka dots. This really nice, kind of like a watercolor background, kind of pinkish peachy color. And then the pink gingham. And then we have repeating designs here. So you get 2 of each design. There's 12 different designs and it's single-sided. And then for our ephemera, which coordinates very, very lovely. So we've got some really cute Ugg boots. A nice pink pumpkin. We've got the marshmallow hot cocoa candle. We've got some books that say autumn, let's get cozy. Hot cup of hot chocolate. So really cute designs. Got some slippers. The little scene with the cozy blanket. Some books. The candle and the cup of hot cocoa. We've got a cup of tea. Some cute little acorn faces. Little heart marshmallow. We've got some pine cones. Cute little marshmallow. This really cute little squirrel that has a heart that says fall. A stack of macaroons or macarons. And some more cute little cups of hot cocoa. And some bows. So super, super cute. So I'm going to stamp out my image on some pattern paper. So this is how we do the paper piecing. Now I'm going to cut my paper. I'm going to cut the bottom here and the handle, and I'm going to stamp this image out again with this glitter so I can put the glitter on top. So this is going to be like a 2-tone cup. So really I only need to ink up the top here. Now when you're cutting your image out, you have to decide whether you're going to use this black line or you're going to use the black line on your stamped image. So for this one, I'm going to use the black line on the heart stamped sheet there. So I want to cut on the inside of this black line. I'm going to use this line here, so I'm going to cut on the outside. And now I'm going to cut on the inside because I'm going to use the stamped image's black line. So just be aware when you're trimming out your image, which line you want to use. So that's just going to fit right on top here. So I'm just going to cut on the outside of the line because I want to use this black line. After I cut out my image, I take a Memento dual marker and just go over my image right along the edges to get rid of that white core of the paper. I find it just gives it a more finished look. So I'm just using a glue stick to add glue to the back of my image, and now I'm just going to line it up. And now we add it to the image. So I'm going to have to do some stamp surgery. When I heat embossed the white, I didn't heat it up all the way. The E and the exclamation point didn't get hot enough, so it got ruined. I tried to fix it with a white Jelly Roll pen, but I smeared it. So we're going to just chop up the sentiment and say, may your life be filled with overflowing happiness. What I've done is I've gone ahead and cut out all my panels here. We're going to put this together. And then we're going to put the sentiment around here somewhere. So let's see how this goes. So never throw away your card if you make a mistake. You can always fix it somehow. So I have my card base in this really pretty cream colored cardstock. And I'm just going to adhere each panel. And then for my cups on the inside here, to make that not so noticeable that it's white on the inside, and you kind of want the wood grain to be in this area, I take a marker or something that's close in color. Probably my warm grays would work really good. So I'm going to look for my W3, or I'll start with my W1 and go from there. So let's see. And I'm just going to fill this in so it's not super white. Kind of fades it. Kind of matches the background a bit more than just having that stark white back there. Okay, so I've got some of my images here with foam tape. Now I'm just going to decide where to put them. Okay, I'm going to start adding the sentiments, and I'm not going to adhere these straight because there's no way I'm going to get those straight, so I might as well adhere them all wonky so it looks like it was done on purpose. Maybe one there. I'm trying to balance everything out, so I think there's a good spot. Okay, all the hearts seem to be in the middle, so that looks good. Now let's complete this with some embellishments. So in any of these open spots, I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle. Okay, that looks good to me. So what do you guys think? How cute is this? Shall we make another card using the ephemera and the paper? So let's make a quick one. I've picked out some papers. I used a Pink and Mang cloudy edge die here for these cute little scallops. I'm gonna stamp out my sentiment right here, and we're gonna use that one that says happiness is a hot drink on a cold day. So let's get this little piece out here and go ahead and stamp that. And I'm just going to do it towards the top, right in the center. We're going to finish up our card with these layers. So we've got some cute little frames here, and then our cute little image will go down here. Okay, so let's glue on the frame first. And I have to think about how I want this angled. And we want this one angled right about there. I'm going to pop up these two images, and they're just going to go right down here at the bottom. I'm just going to pop my image right here. Make sure that this little bow is not going to cover up any part of the sentiments. Okay, that looks good. And now I'll embellish with some sequins. So I'm very excited to see your project using the new box of the month. So when you do projects, tag me at Not Too Shabby Shop. That way I can find your projects. Okay, so that completes the card. So let's take a look at the two cards together. Absolutely adorable. So card number one, super, super cute. And card number two, super sweet. I just love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Come back tomorrow for the last sneak peek. So right now we have 2 more days until release day, August 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time. Bye guys!